Hey guys, this is going to be a fix to the error message. The term ADB is not a recognized name of a commandlet. You'll get this error message if you're attempting to set up the Android Debug Bridge and you have not made the changes I'm going to show you. So to fix this error message, what you have to do is come over to your Start menu, type this PC, right click on this PC and click Properties. That'll take you to the System menu. Here in the System menu, you're going to want to come over to the top left and click Advanced System Settings. Under Advanced System Settings, you're going to want to open the Environment Variables option down here. And that's going to bring you to this menu. The only thing we are worried about is path under System Variables. You are going to need to left click it to highlight it and then left click Edit. That will bring up the Edit Environment Variables window, and you can ignore all of this. All that you're going to need to do is click New, and you're going to want to come over to wherever you extracted your Platform Tools folder. So you're going to want to select the file path up here and copy it, and then come back over to our Edit Environment Variable window and click on New and paste that path right here. Click OK, click OK, click OK. That has saved our work. Now, if we come back over to our PowerShell window, you will notice that once we hit the ADB devices command, we will still get the error message. That is because we have not closed and reopened our command prompt or PowerShell window. So notice how if I shift right click and reopen the PowerShell window, and then I type in the ADB devices command and hit enter, we do not get the same error message. So there is no list of devices attached. That's because my phone is not connected. So if you come back over and follow the rest of the guide over in xdadevelopers.com, you will be good to go. And I'll have this link linked in the description. Thank you. Have a great day.